Let's try a different camera spot. Take this thing up to high. Put my bulb back. Find my down rod. Where I put my down rod? There it is, right here. Alright, there's high. Let's. Oh dang, that's a little more durable than I thought it would be. This is a Cancer fan. Oh crap, it's dangling now. Okay, it's fine. And there goes that blade. And we'll let it run like that. You think it's fine? I think it's fine. Actually, let's remove... Oh, that was the screw. And it's going faster. And now... Oh. I honestly don't know how to describe this. Besides... Oh, is it dead? Oh. Oh, crud. Let me just fix you a little. There. Oh, yeah. Much better. And I think it just turned itself off. Or turned itself down a notch. Well, yeah.